Hello everyone, this is a demo video for IVR service. First you need to visit our website, that is www.cloudshoppe.com. So now you need to click on login and enter the login credentials provided to you. So this is your admin panel. You need to click on services and then the third option, that is the IVR service. So the number mentioned over here, 888-277-8844, is the demo number. Once you go further with our service, your selected IVR number will be mentioned here, whether it's a toll-free number or a virtual number. Then we have the service details. The status is active depending on the plan expiry date, and the service type is IVR. So moving on, next is the IVR configure part. So we provide you time-based IVR, which means you can set different IVR flow in case of office hours and in case of non-office hours. All the IVR configurations are done from the manage IVR part. You need to provide us IVR content either in text format or recording along with your agent's number. So moving on to auto reply SMS feature. So auto reply SMS means a text message will be sent automatically on your customer's number once he disconnects the IVR call. So to enable auto reply SMS, you need to click over here. So you need to select the status as active, and also you can send different SMS content to the customers who call for the first time and a different one if the same customer calls for the second time. That is the first SMS and the second SMS. So moving on, talking about the sender ID. This is basically a 6 characters ID by which your customers will receive the SMS, and it needs to be approved as per the standard approval process. And you just need to click on save changes. And also you need to add the SMS template, whatever you want to send to your customers, and get it approved from our end. Once it's approved, you can enable it. Then we have auto reply voice call. So in this, a voice message will be sent to the customer once he disconnects the IVR call. So in order to enable auto reply voice call, you need to click over here and change the status to active and select your desired voice clip. So in order for you to have the desired voice clip available to you in the drop down menu, you need to add your voice clip from here basically, and make sure whatever clip you are adding in the panel, it needs to be in .wav format. We have provided you the link. You can click over here and convert your any clip into .wav. So coming to auto reply IVR. So in this feature, the customer will receive a call and IVR message will get played depending on the IVR flow which is enabled. So moving on to auto reply WhatsApp. It is somewhat similar to SMS. In this feature, customer will receive a SMS or a message, you can say, on his or her WhatsApp in place of a normal text. You can get it enabled by clicking over here and add the SMS template by clicking over here and get it approved from our end, similar to what we are doing in auto reply SMS. Then we have the option of email. This is basically the email report. So this feature is provided to you in case you don't want to log in the panel every time and check the reports. So you can enable daily, weekly or monthly report, and you will receive an email alert accordingly. So coming to API, you can integrate anything using our API service. your IVR. So we have two types of API, that is pre-API and post-API. You may use any of them depending on your use case. So next is agent SMS. So talking about agent SMS, when a call is transferred to agent, after the completion of the call, agent will get a SMS containing the number of the user. And in case of admin SMS, admin will receive a alert, a SMS alert basically. If the call was answered, then agent's details along with the call details will be mentioned. And in case call was not answered, customer's contact number along with the status that is missed will be mentioned so that admin can directly contact to the customer. So to enable admin and agent SMS, you need to click over here. Change the status to active in case of admin and agent both. In case of admin SMS, you need to enter an admin's mobile number over here. And it should just be a 10-digit mobile number. There should not be any 0 or 91 in the starting. Then you can select the status, like you want the admin SMS in case of answered or not answered. Also you can select multiple options, that is you can select both at a time. And once you select, you can click on save changes. Lastly, we have settings. We have sticky agent. So I'll explain you sticky agent with the help of an example. Suppose you have three agents, agent A, B and C, and my call is connected to agent A. Then our system will stick that agent to my number so that whenever I call again on the IVR number, my call will automatically be transferred to agent A only. So moving on, we have the limit option where you can set the call limit, like a particular caller can call you how many times in a particular day or lifetime. Then moving on, you need not make any changes in all these things like default category, the status, priority and all these. Then we have the hold tone. Now in place of a boring tring tring sound, you can set a customized tone. Then recording is here. From here you can enable or disable recording for the incoming calls on your IVR basically. So this was all for IVR and its features. Next we'll move on to the reporting part. For that you need to click on reports and then IVR. So this is your IVR reporting. Here you have the customer's number in the caller option. Also you will come to know the circle and operator for the same. Then corresponding to every entry, the date and time will be mentioned to you, the status, whether the call was answered, missed or cancelled, the duration of the call, the agent's name who answered the call, the extension, that is the department to which the call was transferred. Then you have the number of credits deducted. Channel is your IVR number. And in the end you have recording available to you for every answered call. You can also copy, filter out or export your report basically depending upon your use case. So this was all for the IVR demo video. For further query, you can contact us at support@cloudshoppe.com. Thank you.